In front of this Nardo gray Urus, you don't see too many painted Nardo gray Urus. This is a paint one. We did the wide body on this kit maybe 3 years ago. We just changed the wheels up. This customer had some other RDB wheels and he wanted to change the look of them. So now we did the RDB revolver wheels in a brushed polished configuration. Looks really nice on the Nardo gray. This car also has a white interior, so really cool color combination. We're surrounded by a lot of Uruses. We got my white one, a green one, a tan one, a lot of colors. There's a matte black one outside. Really cool to see the Nardo gray. Works really well on the Urus.
I love this car. Such a nice car. Beautiful. I would love to keep this. Yeah, if I had this car, I would keep this thing and never give it away. This thing's nice. I just love this car, man. I'm a big fan of this car. It's just a nice car to have and never let go. Basically, just keep this car forever. Now, you have a car like this, it's not about selling it anymore. It's basically, you keep this car. That's what you do. So, very nice.
Just buy one.
Yeah. This is a good client of ours, good friend of ours. Let me see if he'll donate it to me. This thing is so nice. Drives insane. I love it. It's one of my favorites. We're gonna do some wheels and tires on this car, and that's basically it. As you guys can see, the car doesn't need much. Beautiful red color. That's about it for this one.
It's stick shift too.
And this thing is stick shift. The clutch is amazing on this car. It's just an all-around nice car. So one of my favorite Ferraris.
We are standing in back of the body shop. We have this TRX behind me. This is a limited edition TRX. And this car had some customization work done to it previously somewhere else, where the body color matched all the trims, all that stuff. The car also had a bunch of paintwork wrong all over it, so the car was shipped over to us. We are completely sanding and painting this entire truck. We are painting all the moldings again, the bumpers, all that stuff. And this is that Nardo gray color, so really, really cool color for the TRX. And yeah, we get customers all over the country with previous errors from other shops, or they just want the work done once and for all, so they send it over here. So yeah, if you want to send your car all the way from Florida, New York, New Jersey, Seattle, Texas, Vegas, whatever it is, we could help you facilitate that. And you could send it over here, you could do the proper job, you're gonna get the car back, you're not gonna have any headaches. So that's the whole point about this experience. If you guys have built a house before or remodeled the house, you know what kind of headache that is. Similar with car builds, but we try to make it much more trustworthy and quicker for you guys.
What do you actually do at this shop? Because so many people think you're just a wrap shop.
Yeah. We actually do everything to cars. We do body shop. We've been 35 years experienced body shop. We fix heavily damaged cars that are wrecked. We custom cut up cars, make our own convertible cars if we want to. We wrap cars, we do our own wheels, exhaust systems, mechanical work. Literally we do everything to the car under this roof.
And the biggest thing you do, you have an in-house paint shop.
Yeah.
How is that important?
That's the most important thing for a car shop. I don't think you're a real car shop until you have a paint booth. Paint booth gives you that ultimate power. You can scale up from there. You can do paint work, body shop work. Even if it's your painting trims, it's very easy for you to scale up when you have a paint booth.
Okay, I like it. No, it is true. You know,
it gives you more things to do. Like you don't get limited.
Yeah, you know, if you took your car to a body shop and like, yo, to paint these window trims for me, okay, you're about a month out.
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah, clientele. I see so many clientele from. Who is your clientele you do with?
Oh man, from corporate guys, celebrities, athletes, everybody. You know, I have the top of the guys in all the industries that buy this really expensive car, but all these guys generally are unique and they want to make their cars unique. So we get a lot of that, and then we get obviously the guys that get into car accidents, stuff like that. So.
What's the most unique car you have done?
Well, it's a tough question. I cut up some 4x4 G-Wagons, made them convertibles. We're talking about $400,000 cars that we literally cut the roof off of. Those were my favorite unique cars we've done. But we've done Bugattis, Paganis. We've done a lot of cars that had to have our lips sealed as well. You know, somebody crashed their $5 million car and we had to fix it, but there's no posts. So a lot of that kind of stuff too.
Okay. Let's ask, see your company 5 year or even 10 year down the road.
Oh man, I've been working hard for a long time and it's time to scale up, right? So the next step really I think is opening a big facility in Vegas. Vegas has huge uprising and corporate companies, customers like me and mine, you know, so want to open something huge, high-end body shop, and then scale up from there, meaning we want to open RDBs all over the world, you know. We already have talks in Saudi too, so open up high-end body shops all over the world and make it a household name for the nicer cars.
Hopefully come to Seattle soon.
Yeah.
Your camera, Rick.
There it is!
Alright you guys, so this Escalade is complete. We're doing the final step, which is detailing the car inside, outside. I love how the car came out. It's a minor little details that count the most. So on this car you see the complete grille. The emblem of the grille was completely silver. It's black now. They matched the body and the grille of the car. The wheels are beautiful, sitting on 24-inch wheels, wrapped in Toyo tires. Also the emblems on the doors were all silver. Now we have the Escalade color showing. The exterior on the emblems are all black. Everything's blacked out. We also did the complete bumper paint on this car. Car looks really nice. I mean, it's beautiful. One of my favorites.
It's always your favorite.
Time's out! ¡Vámonos a la casa! Woo!
Sounds like Patrick when SpongeBob won or didn't win the manager position.
And also, it's no cars. Come on, how am I gonna send out? It's no cars. Oh, nasty animal.
He's got the shoes going on. He's got his hat. He's got his red chair that has a cup holder in it.
His sweet tea.
Ready to go.
He's already by the lake.
Yep.
Nice. All these people looking.
Yeah, they're wondering who the f is this? When did this guy come to California?
Yeah, but he just go sit in the middle of the
In the middle of the street.
With these California drivers, I wouldn't risk it.
It wouldn't even be abnormal.
No, they'd probably just honk and give you money. Where did you find this shirt from? Anyway, what was this?
It's mine. I left it over there.
He probably does this at his house. He goes out and, Dad, look what I got. Got a red chair and a cup holder. And a f***ed up knee. Everything about this picture's wrong. It's really f***ing bad.
Give me a piece of cardboard and I'll write on it. No lucky. Nope, can't read English. Nobody look at me. Visible. Nobody. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Sorry, man.
Yay! Woo!
Why?
What?
It says
Is it-
honk, please. Why?
Okay. Now let's turn around.
Right there, right there.
Please.
Hey, this one.
Here, get the back.
Yay!
Hey, look what it says. Oh, people are getting things for Jesus.
Okay, I'm going home.
Why?
People are getting things for Jesus.
2025 Porsche 911 GTS, 3.6 liter with an E-turbo, making 532. The turbo uses an electric motor inside and spools to its peak of 26 psi in only 0.8 seconds. The previous TT needed almost 3 seconds to reach full boost. That's a very crazy, significant difference. Lap time on the Nürburgring was 8.7 seconds faster than the previous GTS. That's
Shit.
pretty good.
Video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.